How to block a number on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. Go to the list that contains the contact you want to block. On the screen, tap on the info button located beside the contact's number. Tapping this icon will take you to a detailed screen of some information and some options are given. Here, scroll to the very bottom of the screen and tap Block Caller in the red button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Block Contact to confirm. You will no longer receive any notifications or messages from this sender until you manually unblock them. This way, you get to further enhance your privacy and experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily block any number on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.